We're going to take a look at a universal problem, procrastination. We've all been there, putting off tasks and coming up with creative ways to avoid doing what we need to do. But exactly, what is procrastination? Procrastination is the act of delaying or postponing tasks, often due to a lack of motivation, poor time management, or fear of failure. It's a pervasive issue that can impact various aspects of our lives. Procrastination often follows a cycle. It starts with a task that needs to be done. Knowing the task needs to be done leads to anxiety and stress. In response, we find short-term relief through distractions, only to repeat the cycle when the deadline looms larger. First, we need to understand why people procrastinate. People procrastinate for various reasons, but some of the most common reasons are fear of not being able to do the task well, underestimating how much time the task will take to complete, anxiety gets in the way, lack of self-control, distracted by other things such as phone, TV, and friends, avoidance, and perfectionism. Procrastination isn't without consequences. It can lead to increased stress, compromised quality of work, missed opportunities, and a perpetual cycle of playing catch-up. So what can we do about this? Overcoming procrastination is possible. It involves setting realistic goals, breaking tasks into smaller steps, and developing effective time management strategies. Set clear goals. Define what needs to be done. Create a schedule. Break tasks into manageable chunks. Use timers. Set specific time intervals for focused work, such as the Pomodoro technique. Reward yourself. Celebrate small achievements. To summarize, procrastination is an imposing adversary, but we can overcome it with awareness and intentional effort. Adopt proactive habits, set attainable goals, and remember that every small step counts towards overcoming the procrastination dilemma. Let us now take the first steps toward a more focused and productive future.